Thuutha wa kwerekana kuri na wongerereku wa thogora ya ciana makiria mabururi-ini ma naja, itanya ria kamiti ya mbunge igie wira kwendekithia kuhingwo kwa micii andu kiumbe ya kuramata ciana ici ririkanite ni kihonia kia mutugo uria wambiriirie guthegea. Icera-ini riao micii itiganite kumurika miikarire ya ciana ici, atongoria ya maugite thirikari ni iharirie kuyukia ciana iria iri micii kuhingwo na waki wa mucii munene uri gukua makiria ma ciana 1,200 mwena wa Jos Machakos urorete kurika.
When we are surrounded with issues of child trafficking like the way Kenya is, definitely some homes have to be closed. I don't know when, that is the responsibility of the executive. But our recommendation as committee, some homes have to be closed down. And that is why it is important. You need to have a national institution which will take care of our children.
Thuutha wa kuhunga mahuri ciĩgiĩ witangi wa mbeca iria ibatie kuramata micii ino, macokirie gwikinyia mucii-ini wa ciana wa Mama Ngina guku Nairobi, undu uria mateanĩirie makiuga maria mona ni mugaru wa maria maraigua.
We are totally happy with how the children are being taken care of. You can imagine that child who was only weighing 11 kgs, who could not speak any language known to human beings. He will only speak like a sheep because he was locked in a sheep pen for 10 years.
Ohoro wa ciana ati child welfare ni abuse ga ciana. Child welfare ya mbere iri abuse ga ciana. Ona ndira abuse ciana. Reke itu promote mwana wothe akurire community. Riu twauga uguo ri ni turathukia biashara ya ndoingi muno. Na iyo niyo bare ria nene.
Bururi wa Kenya uri na makiria ma micii 700 iria menyagirira ciana iria itetwo na o muthenya namba ino ikiongerereka, no rio ciiko cia thogora ya ciana yambatĩire. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Julius Kareithi wa Munene.